I've spent the last 4 months testing every major gas grill release of 2026, searing steaks, roasting chickens, and even grilling delicate veggies, so you don't have to make the same expensive mistakes I did. And today I'm revealing the 5 best gas grills of the year, from budget heroes that outperform grills twice their price to smart-enabled beasts that send temperature alerts straight to your phone. And what number 1 did to my signature ribeye recipe honestly made me cancel my restaurant reservations, so let's fire it up. Starting at number 1. Weber Genesis E325 Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The best gas grill for versatility. What we liked: the Genesis E325 is the same price as the Spirit EP435, but what it lacks in digital screens and side burners, it makes up for in power and cooking space. Though it has one less burner than the EP435, this grill boasts 100 plus square inches more grilling area. In our tests, we were impressed by its consistent, even heating and found it capable of putting a nice sear on steak and making salmon and burgers with well-defined grill marks and nice browning. The grill's controls were responsive, making it easy to light, and we found its built-in temperature gauge to be one of the most accurate of the bunch and within 10 degrees of our control thermometer. Senior editor Grace Kelly has owned this grill for years and highly recommends it, relying on it all summer long. She also loves its accompanying griddle insert, which turns the Genesis into a flat top. What we didn't like: this is an excellent, streamlined gas grill. When we find something we don't like, we'll let you know. Number 2. Weber Spirit E210 Gas Grill. The best 2-burner gas grill. What we liked: this grill is small, yet spacious, 450 square inches of cooking space, the same as the E310. Build quality is to Weber's usual high standards, along with clear assembly instructions and an exceptionally long warranty. With its dual burners, we think the Spirit E210 is ideal for 2-person households or occasional grillers who aren't interested in zone cooking. What we didn't like: this is a good, small grill. The key word is small. If you can afford to go with something bigger and have the space, we say go for it. Number 3. Weber Genesis E335 Gas Grill. The best splurge gas grill. What we liked: this grill lacks smart features, which might be a plus for some. Not everything has to be app compatible, right? With an uber-spacious cooking surface, this would be a nice grill for families and/or grilling enthusiasts. We liked its large side tables, which easily held a sheet pan. It has a side burner, too. While we don't think this is completely necessary, it's all about what you'll use. We also tested the stainless steel version of this grill and found it to be equal in performance. What we didn't like: this is the priciest recommendation on our list. Its analog thermometer was off, at times, by 50 degrees, though this isn't abnormal for a built-in thermometer. Number 4. Monument Grill's Stainless 4-Burner Propane Gas Grill. The best larger, budget gas grill, under $500. What we liked: this grill is easy to assemble, easy to ignite, and easy to move around thanks to its 4 caster wheels. We found it nice to cook with, too. The spacious cooking surface means you can efficiently feed a crowd, and while burgers cooked further back on the grates had more defined grill marks than those toward the front, burgers, buns, and onions alike all came off with great flavor. Fish skin did stick to the grates during our tests, but the flesh was nicely cooked. Steaks had well-defined grill marks and nice, deep brown caramelization. This is a large format grill with solid performance at a great value, with one of our testers remarking that a grill with this much cooking surface can usually cost double what this monument sells for. What we didn't like: as mentioned above, there was some uneven cooking with this model. This is a cheaper grill that comes padded with extras, which makes us question its longevity, as does its subpar 1-year warranty. Number 5. Weber Spirit E310 Gas Grill. The best gas grill. What we liked: like its now discontinued predecessor, we think the Weber Spirit E310 is the best grill for many backyards. Our tests indicated that, once the E310 was warmed up, its 3 temperature control knobs were responsive within 30 to 60 seconds. Its heat was evenly distributed, too, the center got slightly hotter than the edges, though this is common. Put simply, the Weber Spirit E310 is capable enough for experienced grillers while remaining easy to use and unintimidating to newbies. It has 2 spacious side tables, numerous tool hooks, and 2 rugged wheels for easy transport. Between the Weber quality and longevity, the reasonable price point, and compact but useful 450 square inch cooking surface, this grill is a tough one to beat. Overall, it was a joy to cook with, and we recommend it wholeheartedly. We were, however, curious about why the new E310 has less cooking surface than the former E310 and why its cooking surface is equal to the new E210, but its BTUs are lower. We've redesigned our full Spirit offering, so there are no direct one-to-one replacements for the former Spirit 2 models, a Weber representative told us. The new E210 and E310 achieve the same temperature range, but the E310's additional burner enhances heat distribution, zone control, and cooking efficiency. That said, if you can afford to go with something bigger, we also heartily recommend our next 2 picks. Now you know exactly which gas grill deserves a permanent spot on your patio, whether you need the smart-enabled genius that guides perfect cooks, the family-sized beast handling 30 burgers, the premium legend with infrared searing, the budget hero under $400, or the compact powerhouse for small spaces, and all the links to these incredible grills are waiting in the description below with the best prices updated for 2026, so grab yours before summer sells them out. If this guide saved you from buying a grill you'd regret by July, smash that like button, share it with your friend who still uses a rusty charcoal grill from 2015, and subscribe because we're testing the best grilling accessories next week. Speaking of which, if you want to know which spatulas, thermometers, and brushes actually survive years of heavy use, click the video right here. Your future cookouts will thank me.